Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn TypeScript step by step using concepts inspired by W3 schools. If you already know JavaScript, TypeScript will feel very familiar, but much more powerful. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the code. TypeScript is a syntactic superset of JavaScript which adds static typing. This basically means that TypeScript adds syntax on top of JavaScript, allowing developers to add types. Let's see some examples. Let's declare a variable called classes, which will only take numbers, noted by the semicolon. When you try to assign a string, if we throw an error, this is the beauty of TypeScript. Let's see another example. Let's take a variable called words, which will only take string. Let's assign it code dev. And don't forget to subscribe, by the way. You will see there is no error, which is a good sign. Let's console log it. It works. But if we assign a number, we will see an error. Let's see an example of boolean type. Let's take a variable called loading of boolean type and assign it false. Let's add an if-else condition to know its function clearly. If you don't know what if-else condition is, please consider learning JavaScript first. All right, let's take a look at this example. So here, I've created a variable called loading, and I've explicitly set its type to boolean. Right now, it's set to false. Then we have an if condition. If loading is true, it should print system is loading. Otherwise, it prints system initialized. Now, logically, since loading is false, we expect the else block to run. So the output should be system initialized. Now, I wrote this condition. If I loading, at first, you might think this is checking if the system is loading, but actually, that's not true. Here's the important part, that I symbol, I, means not, so it flips the value. So instead of checking, is loading true? It's actually checking. Is loading not true? So this condition becomes true, and the code inside the if block runs. That's why it prints. System is loading. All right, in this video, we covered the basics of TypeScript, especially data types, and how they help make your code safer and easier to understand. In the next video, we'll continue from here and explore more concepts step by step. Thanks for watching.